Good afternoon, and thanks so much for joining us.
Well, today the ACC pulling 8 championship games out of the state of North Carolina over that state's controversial transgender bathroom law. They followed the example of the NCAA, which pulled 7 championships out of North Carolina earlier this week. With
the Texas legislature possibly considering similar bills this session, there is a question over whether the city could lose the Final Four, which San Antonio is scheduled to host in 2018, the same year as the Tricentennial. Garrett Berger looks at what the city stands to lose.
$75 million. That's what San Antonio stands to gain in economic impact from the 2018 Final Four.
People come here to stay in our hotels, rent cars, eat in our restaurants. Our city gets showcased to the world.
The city has put tens of millions into preparing for that showcase. $52 million modernizing the Alamo Dome where the games are to be played, and $4 million to move up the completion of the airport's consolidated rental car facility.
At this point in time, we see no reason why the NCAA won't continue to hold the game here, but we'll certainly be aware of anything that might change that.
They aren't the only ones keeping an eye out. The San Antonio Hotel and Lodging Association is concerned about the effects of possibly losing the Final Four and subsequent events.
That could really be devastating to our industry and our local economy.
There's no official legislation yet, and the association doesn't have a formal position, but it doesn't want to lose the Final Four.
Those hotels aren't packed. The restaurants aren't packed. The taxis aren't full, and our associates aren't working.
And Petrella says it's a safe assumption that a similar law would get Texas a similar result as North Carolina. In the legislature, local Republican State Representative Lyle Larson says enforcing current laws would be better than passing a new one.
I don't really see a lot of merit to pursuing something that could have a detrimental impact on our business, but we want to make sure that we continue to have the separation.
Garrett Berger, KSAT 12 News.